Different kind of video today. Hindi siya comsci. It's one of my few hobbies. No, I've started this hobby maybe earlier this year, around August siguro. And I'll just show you a little bit of my process, no? So what I have here is yung R5 droid, yung R5-J2 to be specific, galing Bandai. OOB pa yan. I'm not planning to use the stickers kasi pangit yung litaw niyan. And what I want to do is iba yung kulay totally. So hindi na siya parang authentic na J2 per se. I want it to be custom. And bigyan natin ng weathering. So this is going to be my first time na mag-weather ng model na ganito. Pero just to show you kung saan tayo manggagaling, this is what it looks like, no? I'm not gonna show you how I built it kasi it's particularly hard na i-film na nagbi-build kasi super liit na mga pieces. Like, for example, itong mga mata, they're really small. Right? Kung ma-focus yan, they're really small and mahirap yan, ano. Kita nyo may mga stains yan kasi pasmado ako. Pero that will be fixed really quickly. So, bibigyan ko to ng primer in the morning and bibigyan ko ng shading and I'll see you guys then. Okay? For reference, ito yung una kong model, maybe yun, around August, September-ish. MG Barbatos to, or Barbatos, however you want to pronounce it, from Iron-Blooded Orphans, no? I didn't watch Gundam before making kits like this, pero it got me to watching it, no? Basically, OOB lahat to, and you might notice na may kulang na yun sa chin kasi nahulog na. Pero binigyan ko ng matte coat. Okay? So, hindi siya masyadong mukhang plastic. Now you could see na hindi, medyo may alikabok na yan kasi wala pa akong case. Actually, bigyan ko to ng mga custom decals from Delphi Decal na nabili ko from Shopee. Okay? Kaya mas may detail siya when it comes to the decals. It also took me maybe around 20 to 30 hours na i-build to. Right? Kasi well, dahil first build ko to, you might notice may mga knob marks pa, pero those are a pain in the ass na alisin, right? Kasi, ayun, may knob mark doon. Right? Kung focus ko siya. Yan, sa elbow, may knob mark doon. And, yeah. So, yun yung first build ko. Then, believe it or not, ito yung second build ko. Yung MG Sazabi Verka. No? Custom painted. Lahat yan, even the inner frame. Inner frame being yung mga robot parts sa loob. So this one took around 200 to 300 hours, no? Complete with the painting process tsaka yung pagdi-decals. You could see there are a lot of decals here. And mapapansin mo may mga discoloration when it comes to these parts kasi nagkamali ako dyan. Given yan yung first time ko mag-paint gamit airbrush, no? Ayan, may alikabok na rin. So, this was almost after kong binild yung Barbatos. And yung may daliri dyan na, may daliri sa kamay dyan na nawawala na. Right? And yung main changes na pinilatan ko dyan is yung mga thrusters tsaka yung mga yellow parts ginawa kong copper, bronze-ish. Right? And yung ibang gray parts ginawa kong silver. So, actually maganda yan sa thrusters sa likod. Right, so you could see here. Right. Or normally those would be gray and yellow. And now there's chrome and copper. Right, yan yung mga parts na ganyan. Also there's also like some thrusters dito sa pa. Right. Really, really detailed. No? Very fun process, not gonna lie. Ito, may minask pa ako dyan na elbow joint. Shoulder joint. Right? Kita mo na yung alikabok dyan with the camera. No? Kailangan na malinis to and put into a case, hopefully. So, ayan. That's my second build. And to add to that, no? Ito yung backlog ko. Bale, gusto ko kasi mag-weathering. Gusto magpasa ng weathering gamit tong piece na to. Pero, yung backlog ko is, ito yung kakambal nung Sazabi. Yeah, if you watch Gundam, ito yung kakambal niya, yung new Gundam. Kalaban niya yan sa Char's counter-attack mode. So kalaban niya doon. And matagal ko na hinahanap yun. And nakahanap ako. Which is good. So I'm gonna build that next, hopefully. I'm divided between building that. Tsaka, ito nakuha ko rin to. Right. Yeah. Jesus. So yan. So kung hindi pa halata na naging fan na ako ng UC Timeline series. So ayun, gabi right now, 8 p.m. So I'll see you in the morning kapag pa-primer ko na to. Itong piyasang to. Okay, so ito yung leg part. This is mga leg parts na naka-disassemble and naka-primer siya. Right? So yung trabaho ng primer is una mag-set siya ng base color. Right? So kaya kulay gray yan. Kasi I think that's the best base color para sa orange, right? And pangalawa, yung actually ito kita mo may knob mark siya, sakto. Pangalawa, isa siyang way para makita mo yung mga imperfection. So sasand ko to. Right, sasand ko and re-primer ko yung area na yun. At ito, kita natin yan. Right, may mga imperfections siya dyan. And pangatlo is for yung next coat of paint para mag-stick siya na mas maayos. Right? Kasi kung diniretso ko yung paint sa plastic, there is a good tendency na hindi siya mag-stick na maayos. Right? So, yun yung purpose ng primer or ng surfacer. So yan, hinintay ko lang dumating yung orange paint na in-order ko. And we'll get back to that sa within a day or two. Right? Kasi Shopee yun eh. So, a little voiceover habang nagpe-paint yan. Right? This is actually recorded around, sabihin natin, second week of November. Kasi first week of November, right, mini update lang. We went to Hong Kong to present yung thesis namin. No? And na-publish siya sa IEEE. No? You can see me here, nag-pre-shading ako. Basically, I'm just putting some black paint over the primer bago ko ilagay yung main coat. Okay? Para lang mabigyan ng extra depth yung color variation kapag nilagyan ko na siya ng main coat. Okay, so you'll see me here. Yan, inayos ko yan. And in a bit, makikita mo na yung orange paint ko na acrylic, hindi siya nag-work out kasi hindi siya nagsistick na maayos. So I had to redo a lot of stuff. Anyway, tuloy ko lang sinasabi ko. No? While we have a minute or two to talk about stuff. No, so, na-publish sa IEEE yung thesis namin. And yeah, this is recorded noong November pa. And this is me recording my voice in 2023 already. No? And I've been busy with work, kaya hindi ako nakapag-upload lately. And ito yung napag-isipan kong gawa ng video. Right? Kasi, yeah, marami ako script for like new educational stuff regarding comsci, regarding math or whatever. Pero animation and editing takes a lot of my time. And that time, medyo mas gusto kong ini-spend with my friends. And for myself, just playing games, enjoying life. No. Eventually, I'll upload those. I'll make those. Pero not now. You'll soon later find out why. I've told a few people bakit sinusulat ko yung oras ko, right? And yeah, you soon find out siguro at the end of Feb, mid-Feb-ish, right? So you'll see me here swiping off the paint kasi I was like, okay, let's just redo the whole thing and paint it in blue, okay? And sadly, nawala yung footage ko doon kasi naubusan ko ng memory. Pero here's the end result. No, you'll see na kulay blue yung main hull there. And you also see here a quick snippet ng mga ibang pieces na nakapaint ng white, gunmetal, stuff like that. Okay? Tapos here, I'll show you yung itsura ng ating repainted na R5 droid na naka-assemble na, right? I'll show you some shots of that. Tapos I decided to add like a couple of decals para lang matagdagan ng detail. No, may mga leftover decals ako from my baskets and then nilagay ko dyan, right? So Basically, you soak it in water for a bit and then to transfer mo dyan. Optionally, you could add some mark setter and softer para lang ma-improve yung look and yung durability ng decal. As here comes the fun part. Basically, I'm trying a new technique na i-weather ko yung model. And kaya ito yung pinang-papracticean ko na model kasi gusto kong gawin yung weathering in the future. And I think na this is the perfect model to try it on. Try ko dito is basically dry brushing ng silver or ng chrome paint over yung model natin. Okay, over no R5 droid. Just to give it some scratched looks, no? Na, well, I do admit, medyo over the top yung pag dry brush ko dito, but I'll show you the end result. So ayan, yeah, you could see here yung sinasabi ko over the top, no? Well, weathering is like telling a story, no? And I don't think ganyan talaga ka-beat up yung droid na makakuha mo. It's like super scratched up and stuff. Pero hey, ako personally, I like how it came out. Really brought out the details, yung nga, yung dry brushing na silver, kita mo may chipping sa edges, stuff like that. Pero yun nga, feeling ko sobra siya. Although that's a lesson learned, no? Lesson learned naman yun. And I hope magagamit ko siya in the future, itong weathering technique. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison ng dalawa, yung before and after. No? Overall, nag-enjoy naman ako. Yun naman yung point nun. And I learned something new. In the future, expect na there's more content like this. No? And yeah, actually, yung mga followers ko sa community, they've seen this much earlier, no, nung November pa, nung December pa. Join the Discord if you want to see more recent updates as well as yun nga, discuss things with me, discuss things with the community. Really nice people, by the way. And yun, yeah, thank you and I'll see you next time.